Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you through the Uptop feature of the MarkeTech software on the Twitter app. This is the main interface of the software. Here, I just need to copy the username. Here, there are functions to post, repost, and post to this community. And here, I will guide you through the Uptop post feature. This is so that our post will appear at the top of the search page. We just need to select here, just copy the username. After copying the username, we choose which accounts to use for seeding, to search, like, and comment. Here I will select the interaction feature and paste the username here. Then click save, and after that we just need to press start. Here we can enter various parameters and different comments. Select like, follow, and so on. Here we can choose these parameters and even add hashtags as well. Then we press start and the software will run automatically. And goodbye, see you in the next video. Thank you.